Hi guys, it's Rob Lester here from Lester Bathrooms. Thank you for checking out our channel where we're all about bathrooms. We're just closing out on another bathroom here and I thought I'd put a little video together and just show you what we're doing. Spin it round. Okay. There we go. Now this is, believe it or not, an ensuite. Pretty big ensuite, I think. So let's start over here in the shower area. Nice big low profile. Look at that. Get right down there. You got about 10 mil of that tray exposed. So that works out really well, nice and neat. Isn't it? Really cool. We put a little alcove in here. Nice big sort of frameless, big sliding door. And that's really cool. Hansgrohe concealed valve, which operates the rainfall shower and the hose, so number 1 and number 2. As I mentioned, the alcove. So that's the shower area. And then over here we've got this nice big freestanding bath. And that looks really smart with a spout there. And again, a Hansgrohe concealed valve, which operates it all. So that's really cool. On this back wall, we've got a big feature tile. These tiles are all porcelanosa. I think they're 1 meter by 300, something like that. But these have got a lovely wave effect in it. And I think for an ensuite this size, it just breaks up the tiles a lot, just to have a little feature tile on that back wall. Yeah, nice big ladder style towel rail there. The thermostatic rad valve, and that's all nice and hot working there. And then we've got this lovely 2-drawer wall hung basin unit, all cushion closed. There's a little handle under that one. Won't show you too much in there. And then we've got this illuminated mirror, which is on a sensor button under here. You can see it at night. That's got a little light on there, so at night that illuminates down, shows you where the switch is. Boom. And then that's very smart, isn't it? Very cool. Hello. And then we've got this in the same wood. Can't remember what this wood's called, but we've got a WC unit with a wall hung pan all off the floor. Little push button. And then all new LED down lights, new inline fan, extractor fan, and then these nice, very nice wood effect porcelanosa floor tiles, which look great, really huge. You see that one there? Great big planks, which look fantastic. Really works well with the wood of the 2 units. So there we are. That's what we've been up to. I hope you enjoyed that one, and we'll put another one up soon. And we'll just do a final little spin round. There you go. And if you're looking to do your own ensuite, and if you've got an ensuite lucky enough to have something this size, hopefully that'll give you a few ideas and a little bit of inspiration what to do in your place. So great. I'll catch you on the next one. Have a good one.